Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I came on the other day to show you I received 1,000 postcards for the Postcard Tycoon. So since then, I've already put some labels and stamps on 200 postcards ready to go out tomorrow morning. Okay. The Postcard Tycoon is a direct mail program. Okay. And it comes with 250 postcards in color, as you can see right there, front and back. It also comes with 250 leads. With the Postcard Tycoon, you get a website, okay? And you get paid via money order, okay? Everybody has their own website. When you join, you're going to send in 2 money orders, okay? You're going to send a $300 money order in to your sponsor, and you're going to send a $198 money order into the company, okay? The company also offers what they call a 5 for Life bonus. That includes 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps on every 5th sale, guys. That's the extra bonus, okay? Now, when you join me, I'm going to throw in an extra 250 leads for you. As you can see right here, I've got lots of leads, okay? Now, that's about 1,000 leads right there, but I ordered 10,000. I have 10,000 leads, so I have plenty leads to go around for everybody that joins me. They're going to get an extra 250, okay? So this is a great program. Again, it comes with a website, okay? So you can promote this online as well, but your website will be on your postcard, guys. So this is serious business for me. I actually do mail, and I enjoy direct mail. That's when I found my success with direct mail, okay, back in 2013. Okay, so with that being said, just want you guys to see these are going to be going out. As you can see, the stamps are on them, okay, lots of these. They're ready to go. 200 that's going out tomorrow. All right, so I'm going to put the link below for the Postcard Tycoon. Okay, go to the website, check it out. And when you go to the website, guys, let me show you something while I got you here. Go all the way down. Okay, hang on. All the way down here. Okay, see right here, it says click here. This is the order form. You want to click that, and you're going to print that out. Okay. You print that out and mail that back in with your 2 money orders. I recommend you mail it priority so that you'll get a tracking number, okay? And go ahead and send me that tracking number. And once I receive my $300 commission, I will mail you 250 leads. That's extra, okay? The company's going to send you 250, but I'm going to send you 250, all right? Look forward to working with you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, if it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload videos, okay? Look forward to working with you guys. You guys have a blessed day.